Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to walk you through Newsplunker, an incredible tool that's all about harnessing the power of highly enriched news analytics. If you're into making smarter, faster decisions with real-time insights, stick around, this is for you. So, what's Newsplunker? It's your gateway to AskNews contextualized news data, giving you real-time news analytics that can save analysts around 10 hours per topic. That's a game changer, right? Let's break down the core of what Newsplunker offers. It's powered by the AskNews Knowledge Graph, which means you get contextualized news analytics to automate discovery and speed up generating insights. No more digging through endless articles, Newsplunker does the heavy lifting for you. Now, let's talk about the standout features that make this platform so powerful. First up, Deep News. This is like an autonomous research engine that dives into the world's information, connects the dots, and delivers answers packed with insights. Then there's the world's largest news knowledge graph. You can build, explore, and analyze it right from the Newsplunker dashboard. Contextualized news analytics let you analyze articles with the help of that knowledge graph. You can create custom dashboards to share your news analysis with your team. Got a tricky question? Ask Newsplunker complex news-related questions, and it'll handle it. Set up custom alerts, reports, and even newsletters to stay on top of what matters. Want to see where a topic is trending? Geographical coverage analysis has you covered. Self-updating share links are awesome for sharing updates with colleagues or clients that stay fresh with new info. Relationship analysis helps you uncover hidden connections in custom news graphs. And here's the cool part, you can chat directly with the world's largest news knowledge graph for answers on the fly. So, who's using this? Let's look at some real-world use cases. Energy forecasting, analysts are digging into news data to predict energy trends. European banking and finance, keeping tabs on the latest in those sectors. Tech trends, spotting what's next in the tech world through news analysis. Military intelligence, Riley risk analysts are using it to create proactive alerts, like protecting personnel from drone strikes in Ukraine and sharing critical intel globally. Newsplunker is all about unlocking the power of news analytics, and I'm honestly blown away by what it can do. If you want to dive in, head to their website to check it out. Let me know in the comments if you've used tools like this or what you'd use Newsplunker for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content like this. See you in the next video?